Welcome to Fly Eats Kitchen. I'm Jessica, your host, and today we are making Cajun salmon tacos. Yes, we are elevating the Taco Tuesday and definitely your regular schmegular fish taco recipe. Make sure that you like, subscribe, share, comment below, and get right into this amazing salmon taco. Like I said, y'all, I'm going to teach you how to make the most amazing Cajun salmon tacos that you will ever have. So I definitely was inspired by the popular birria tacos. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right, but y'all know that good old taco that you dip into the sauce. It's all like just juicy and yummy. Yes, that. Traditionally, it's made with, I think, like beef or some sort of meat, sometimes pork. And actually, the sauce is made of that too, but y'all know I don't eat that. And so I decided to go ahead and make my salmon version. And our dipping sauce is going to be a Cajun sauce that's going to be filled with flavor and spice and just yumminess to elevate our taco even more. So, y'all ready? I know I am. Let's get right into our salmon and get that much closer to eating our amazing taco. What do I always say whenever we start getting into these fly eats? Make sure that you clean your protein. So, of course, we have these beautiful wild-caught salmon fillets that I got prepackaged from Costco that are also like just super easy to use. I made sure that I put some lemon juice. Make sure you clean them properly. They do have some boning in them, so you might want to remove them before you get to cooking. I placed, of course, some garlic powder on that thing, some Creole seasoning, and, of course, some all-purpose until seasoning. I'm running low, y'all. I gotta order some more. You should too. So once you have it completely coated, I did pour a little bit of olive oil. Although salmon has its own, natural oils, I put a little bit of olive oil just to coat the seasoning really well. On your frying pan at medium-high heat, you're going to place some more oil on the pan, and then your salmon skin down onto the frying pan. Honestly, the skin down part, that's only if we're going to just eat this fillet, but we're not. We're going to make these into tacos, so it doesn't matter if you put a skin down or the opposite way. You just want to sear them on both sides. You don't want to overcook them because nobody likes, dry-ass salmon. I let the salmon rest for a couple minutes, kind of like steak, so that the juices and all of that flavor just kind of reincorporates itself into your salmon. And then I started to do a just rough chop. How good that looks, y'all. Oh my God, it's like perfectly cooked. Literally, you can just eat your salmon just like that, but we have work to do and we're gonna make it fly. So once you have all of your salmon chopped up perfectly, that beautiful pink color is perfectly cooked. Now what we're going to do is get our seasonings together for our Cajun dip and sauce. So that was chili powder. We have some lemon pepper, a little bit of sugar. All of these are a tablespoon each. And of course some garlic powder and also some Cajun seasoning. So some people might use Old Bay. I use Tony's Creole seasoning because it's bomb to me. So you do you. In a pot, you're going to melt a stick of butter, add some fresh garlic. That's like, I don't know, 8 to 10 cloves, y'all. Y'all know I go hard with garlic. I cannot help myself. Stir it in. You just want to make sure that your heat is, I would say, like medium low. You really don't want it to burn. That's first thing. So you're going to add in all of your seasonings, incorporate, like I said, that chili powder, that lemon pepper. I'm so extra. You're going to add in your Creole seasoning and as well as that little bit of sugar so that it has that sweet, tangy, flavorful. You're going to mix it in and allow your seasonings to blend perfectly into our sauce, and that's pretty much it. So I'm not gonna lie, I didn't show this here. I threw in a little bit of Frank's Red Hot because I like some spice, but you can leave it just like this. You can adjust what you like more or less depending on what your taste buds are calling for, and that's it, y'all. That's it. That's it for the sauce, at least. All right. So now for our actual tacos, I have some corn tortillas that I got from Trader Joe's. You dip it into your sauce. So this is why I say it's birria inspired, because that's pretty much the technique that they use. So you dip it in your sauce, add it onto your frying pan. This is a 4-cheese formaggio blend that I also got from Trader Joe's. But whatever cheese you like, you can go hard with. I really love this packaging from Trader Joe's. So if you have time to go to TJ's, definitely try it out. Add in your salmon, and then you're just gonna flip it over, let it cook on both sides. Oh my God, my mouth is watering just describing this. But that's it, you guys. Make as many of these banging tacos as you like, but for now, let's go ahead and taste. Y'all, our Cajun salmon tacos, they look amazing, they smell amazing. Woo, please get into it. Get into this. Taco Tuesday will never be the same. Well, they'll just be better, actually. Especially for the people like me who eat seafood and be going over. Y'all got that ground meat, the ground turkey, the ground beef, the steak, the fajitas. Give the fish people some love, all right? All right, so let's try. I'm so excited. We're gonna dip it in our sauce. Yeah, my mouth is watering. Yep. That's so good, y'all. Like the sauce is so filled with flavor. I probably have like juice running on my mouth. Real ghetto. But it's so good. The salmon is perfectly cooked and that cheese is like melted perfectly within the taco. I know it freaks people out sometimes with cheese with seafood for some reason, but I promise it is the perfect blend. And like I said, with all the spices and seasons that we put on it, it's just like the perfect bite. So you have to make this. I know you want to. You'll love it. Make sure that you guys like, subscribe, share, comment below. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll catch you on another episode of Flagg's Kitchen.